Hi guys. Welcome back to FA Trades. In this video we are going to talk about a crypto analysis tool called CoinAnk. It's similar to CoinGlass, but it has more advanced ProCharts and footprint charts. So first of all, you need to log in here. You can create an account if you already don't have. It has same on-chain and off-chain tools like CoinGlass. Its main advantage over CoinGlass is its charts. It has more advanced ProCharts, as well as footprint charts. Also, if you don't understand anything here, you can check out Learn section here. It will give you basic guide to all tools and indicators here. Let's move on to its main section, which is its charting. It has two types of charts. First is live chart, and second is footprint pro chart, which is a more advanced chart where you can precisely see all transactions and trades happening within each candle in real time. We will discuss live chart in this video, and footprint chart in the next video. This is live CoinAnk chart. It has same basic look as CoinGlass and TradingView chart. You can search and select different coins from various exchanges here. You can change time frames, various chart types. Here you can find most of TradingView indicators. I prefer volume-based indicators here. This is main section. Here you can all CoinAnk premium indicators. Next here you can see all gainer and loser coins. Here you can save, share and import templates. I will provide my templates in the description. Next is footprint section. We will discuss that in next videos. Finally, chart settings same as TradingView. This is your watch list. Here you can add your coins or filter by volume and open interest. Next, this is DOM depth of market. Here you can change depth size and look for large orders, which usually act as support and resistance levels. Lastly, you can look at live trades happening in the market. That's all the basics. Now let's discuss the CoinAnk indicators. There are many advanced indicators here. First, I will explain the CVD indicator for spot and perps. I will add few CVDs on charts. Then I will explain few ways to analyze markets from CVDs. In the CVD settings, you can filter CVD by trade/order size, so that you can see sentiment among small to large traders. Also, you can filter it by exchanges. Here I am filtering CVD by order size from small to large. This will show what small retail is doing and which direction are large players betting. Generally, you want to follow the direction of large traders because they are usually more informed and have more impact on price. Rising CVD line means there are more longs, while falling CVD means there are more shorts. Also, you can look at divergences between CVD and price as explained in previous video. I am color coding different CVD order size by various colors for better understanding. Once done, I will merge all these different CVD together. Then you can compare what small to large traders are doing. Are they going either long or shorts or overall neutral? Usually I follow large size traders. It will give you context as which direction small to large traders are biased. So I use these CVDs as a confluence in my trading. Also, what else you can do is filter CVD by exchange. In this way you can see overall sentiment among different exchanges. Binance and Coinbase are Two of most influential exchanges. All indicators I am showing are for context building and as a confluence. Make sure to understand these indicators first. Then observe and backtest. If it suits your style, then add in your trading system. I would suggest you guys is to observe and backtest these CVD, how these affect price, and then use for context building and as a confluence in your trading. This is all about spot CVD, what they mean and how to use them in your trading system. Next I will explain perpetual market CVD. Overall idea is same. These show sentiment in future market. Rising CVD show more market buys, while falling CVD is sign of selling. Here we will again filter CVD by order size and color code for better view. You can also filter by exchange. After that we will merge all these future CVD together to view sentiment across different trader sizes, from small to large. Again, you want to usually follow large traders here. It's not a trading system, but it will help you make context in your trading. I look at both spot and future CVD, but I give more preference to spot CVD. From exchanges, Binance and Coinbase are important ones. Next, I am gonna explain about order book ratio indicator for both spot and perps. Order book ratio calculates which orders are more dominant in the DOM. Green means more demand while red means supply. Also, rising ratio is bullish, while falling ratio is bearish. Here we can again filter it further into depth percentage and by exchange. Lower percentage 1% and below is more for short-term analysis, while percentage above 1% is more for medium to long term. Here I am gonna again filter through percentage from lower to higher for short-term to long-term view. The more extreme these bars are, the stronger supply and demand. Here let me give you an example of extreme demand. Here you can see all ratios showing strong demand, and price bounced from that zone. After that, demand decreased in price, formed a range. Same as spot bid-ask ratio. You can also use Perpetual's bid-ask ratio. It will show order book supply and demand in futures. Also, you filter by price range and by exchanges. Lower price range will be for short-term view, while higher price range will be for long-term analysis. I would suggest you guys to play around settings, test out various ranges and exchanges, and use the ones which suit your trading style. Here you can at same price zone where there was spot demand. It also had futures demand, so it has high chance of bounce. Other indicator you can test and use in your trading system is net shorts and net longs. It shows where short and long positions are opened and where they are closed. Also look at places where there are large amount longs or shorts are opened, because price usually targets these large positions. There are a lot of other indicators you can use in your trading system. These could be funding rates, taker volume, top trader positions, open interest and liquidations, etc. Make sure to first understand what these indicators mean. Then observe and backtest these indicators before implementing in your trading system. That's all for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, feedbacks, or suggestions, leave a comment. See you in the next one. Peace out.